Get excited about the 2011 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, rear parking sensors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and seat memory. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.